Okay, hi guys. So this video I show you how to use the Android Auto. So first let's start the link app. Choose waiting. So then we connect it has two USB port. This one has CarPlay and Android, and this one has USB 3. Okay. We must use this one with the CarPlay and the Android Auto label. We also need to install the Android Auto app on your mobile phone. Android mobile phone. Okay. Okay. So this is the Android Auto home screen. Okay. Maps. Music. You can go to the home page and the link.